Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dealer, and now you will have to enter a secret code, which is *pound O *pound. And as you can see now, you can smoothly test your device. So let's start with display test. So let's start with red, and it's proper. Green, it's also good. Blue is also working correctly. Now we can check receiver. As we all can hear, it's working properly. Then vibration, you can hear, I can feel, they are all right. Then you can check the mega cam, grip sensor, touch, speaker, sub key. Okay, so let me check the speaker. Yeah, it's good. And then sub key, front camera, whole IC, and also black is also for display. So click on black to check if it's properly displayed, and to switch it off you have to tap on power key. And that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily test your device, test your Samsung Galaxy A6. As you can see, you have to only enter a secret code, and then, okay, now we are back, and then you can test all the features. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.